Okay, let's complete our next part. We have here these questions. I want to solve it with you. Let's start with the first question. We have complete here. We have 154. This is the whole number, and I want to know what is in hundreds, tens, and ones. As we know, the value of each digit, the hats of each digit, we have 4 in ones, 5 in tens, and 1 in hundreds. Okay, so which digit in hundreds place, which digit? So 1 in 100. What about tens? We have 5 in tens. What about ones? We have 4 in ones. It's the easy part. So make sure that you just write 1 without, not 100, 100. It will give you 10,000. So you just cancel 2 zeros because we know that hundreds we have 2 zeros, and we know that tens has 1 zero. So it will be 50. This is 100. This is 4, just only 4, because once without anything. Just cancel once without put anything. Okay, let's complete. Let's take another one, the second one here. 870, 870. What in hundreds, what in tens, what in ones? So it will be, that's right, 8 in hundreds, miss. What about which digit in tens? 7 in tens, that's right. The last one, 0 in ones. Okay, let's take another one. Let's first go down. Okay, 900s, 4, 900s, 4 tens, 7 ones. First, we just put what? First, we put the place value of each one. The place value of each one. We have ones, tens, and hundreds. So three place value here. Which digit in ones place? We have 7, that's right. Which digit in tens place? We have 4. Which digit in hundreds place? We have 9. So the actually number 947. This is when I'm talking about if you have this the place value of each digit, and I want to make what I want to tell me standard form of each digit of this number. Standard form. This is standard form. Okay. This one, 8 tens, 6 ones. We have just only 2 digits. And as we know, tens as just, you can cancel tens and put it just only 0. And you cancel ones without put anything, just only once. So it will be 80 and 6, so 86. Because 0 and 1, I'm sorry, because ones has 6 and tens place 8 in tens place. You can solve it with this part with this part or this part. Okay, let's start another one. Let's take another one. We have 7 ones, 7 in ones. Once without anything, you cancel once without anything, so it will be 7, just only 7. Once without any zeros, so cancel once and put it 70. So the answer, it will be 70. The last one here about ones, 700 ones. Can cancel once without put anything, it will be 700. That's right. Let's go down. This one here, 3 tens. I know that tens has only 1 0, so cancel tens and put it only 0. So it will be 3 and put 0, it will be 30. That's right. Tens here, 0. The same steps. 34 and put 0, so 34 put 0, it will be 340. What about this one? We have 600s. Hundreds here has what? Has 2 zeros, if you remember. So it will be 600, miss, that's right. Okay, I hope you understand all this part. You just put zero if you have tens. You just put it two zeros if you have hundreds. Put it nothing if you have ones. Okay, so ones you can cancel, or tens cancel it and put it just only one zero. What about hundreds? You cancel hundreds and put it two zeros. Just only whole steps. Let's go down. Okay, this one here, 34 tenths, 8 ones. So 34 tenths. Tenths has only one zero. So 34, put it zero. What about this part, 8 ones? So add it, because this is the new part. 8 on ones, you just cancel. So 34, 340 plus 8, it will give you 340. This one here, 500, two ones. So 5, you cancel hundreds and put it two zeros. And ones doesn't put any, it didn't put anything. So we have 502. So 502. Like 500 plus 2 will give you 502. That's right. Okay. What about this one? 500. So 500 and 20 ones. 20 plus 20. So it will give you what? 520. That's right. Just add two parts. Okay. This one, 600. Four tenths. Tenths has only one zero. Hundreds has two zeros. So 600 plus 40 will give you 640. That's right. Okay. So let's go down with you. Okay, this one here, 506. So 5 in hundreds. And what in ones, what in tens, just only zero. What in ones? We have 6 in ones, that's right. Here I want to know the expanded form, expanded form, expanded form. Okay, so let's go down first. Okay, we have here, I want to know expanded form, expanded form. Okay, we have 276. So you just write the value of each digit here. The value of 2, it will be 200. Plus what? Plus 70, the value of 7. And the value of 6, it will be 6. So when we add it all together, it will give you expanded form. It will give you the actual numbers that you have. This is standard form, and you want to convert to or change to expanded form. Another one, we have 900 plus 50 plus 8. This that we have expanded form, and I want to make it a standard form. I want to make it standard form. So change from expanded to standard. When we have expanded, so add it all together, we have 958. So 958. 8 in ones place, 5 in tens, and 9 in hundreds place. So make sure that we add it all together, it will give you the actual numbers that you have. This one, we have here 56. 56. 6 in ones, that's right, and 5 in tens. This is the place value. So 6 in ones place, we put it just 6 in ones. What about in tens? We have 5, so 5 tens, 6 ones, it will give you 56. Let's go down and clear all of this. Okay, we have 670. 670, what about in ones here? I know that once you can cancel and put it nothing. So 670 equal what? equals the same number, 670. This one, 324, 324. I know that 4 in ones. I know 4 in ones. And 2 in tens place. What about 3? What about 3 here? We have 3 in hundreds place, but I don't have hundreds to put it 3 beside it. So you just make 3 in one, in which place, tens or ones. But 3 is not in ones place. It's far from ones, but it's beside tens, right? It's a 32. Okay, so you just put 32 in tens, because when we check our answer, we have 32 in tens, and we know tens has only 0. So 32, it will be 302, and we have 4 added all together, it will be 4. So it will be 324. This number the same with this. That's right. So the whole number, it's actually right. The whole answer, it will be right. So 32 tenths. Make sure that you put hundreds beside tenths, not far from it, okay? If you have tenths. Another question, the same way. We have 6 in ones and 7 in tenths. 9 beside 7 or 6 beside 7. So put beside 7. Very, very easy. What about this one? Let me see here. We have 4 in hundreds, so put it 4 in hundreds. 6 in ones, 6 in ones. What about 3? Where I put 3 here? Beside 4 or beside 6? If I put it beside 4 here, it will be 43 hundredths, like this, 43 hundredths. But this number, not like this. You just increase another, you just put another 0 beside it. So this wrong answer. So you can't put 3 beside, you can't put 3 beside 3 here, beside 4 here. Where I put it? I put it beside 1, just only once. I just have ones here. So put it 36 once. Let's check our answer. 4 hundredths, 2 zeros will be 400 plus what? Plus 36 once. Cancel once, put it nothing, 36. Will give you 436. 400, this number, the same with this? Yeah, that's right. So the whole answer are correct. Let's, okay, clear this part. Another one, the last one, 142. 142. 2 in ones and 1 in hundreds. Where I put it for? Beside 2 or beside 1? I just put it beside the right numbers. The right numbers are beside it. Okay, so put it here. Put it with the beside the right side, with the right digit that we have. Okay, like here, like in tens, I put it 3 beside 2. I go right. I go right. Okay, I go to this side. What about if I give you, if I give you another question, but I will write down here the same number here, 142 equal what in hundreds and what in tens? Okay, what in ones? I know that hundreds here it's 1, tens it's 4, and ones it's what? It's 2. Okay, let's go. Let's go here up. Just this one. The same number, but I just cancel tens. So put it 2 in ones, put it 1, as I told you, another way for you. 4 with 2, because 4 tenths will give you 40. If you put it 40 and 2, it will be 42. The same way as the same answer. So make sure you have You check your answer with put it zeros, two zeros beside two zeros if you have hundreds, and put it 10 if you have tens, and put it nothing if you have ones. Okay, I hope you understand everything about this part. It's very, very important to know the difference between hundreds, tens, ones. Just all of this, it's a place value, not the value. Okay. Um, I hope you understand everything. If you have any questions, you can ask me on the next session. Thank you for listening. Bye.